Hey guys, last time we did 110 beats per minute with this bass line for a polyrhythmic exercise. Now we're going to change it to be the same thing, but one click every 4 beats. So this requires you to internalize the clock and create more solid time within yourself. 2, 3, So the challenge is to not look at the metronome. Ooh. Eventually you'll be able to tell if you're slowing up or speeding down, if you have a tendency to rush. My tendency is to rush, so I have to try to lay back. So get the bass line down here, and then start to improvise in 3 in your right hand. And then switch it to 4 and see if you can still keep it. This is where it gets hard. If you really get into it, you can start to play more complex rhythms. Oops, see, I started to rush there. Pull it back.